Now we have a left no start and a right start normal. So 7K and 8K has swapped the problem over to the left side of the airplane. And it turns out with a completely different relay, 68 Charlie installed. 68 Charlie installed in the 8K position. Both engines start just fine, so that 7K relay is verified bad. The heavy start contactor here had a power on pin 3, no problem. It was missing the ground on pin 4. Turns out the GCU was unhappy because of logic wires that are provided by the left start circuit, as confusing as that is. And so it turns out that on the left engine print, 7K here was the actual culprit. And here's the failed relay. We've got a part number on that. And here's the troubleshooting for X1 and X2. And you can plug that right back in the airplane with a test fixture on it and check your X1 and X2.